make Anansi ever the inner the old stop? Today we are telling you one neda reason what make Anansi ever the inner the old stop. Broadcast Jamaican translate the tuori and tam ready. One time the animal them ever big up themselves. Everybody a chat about all what them coulda do and claim say them better than everybody else. This go on so till the lion, we run things in the animal world, just get fed up. Make we sit down and chat about what make everybody think say them are the best one out here, him say. So the all of them point out them best skill and brag all them want. But Nancy want be better than all of them. So him talk about how him can fly. But this are the news for everybody. But everybody shocked for hear that one day. The bud them top the list. Them never believe one word when Nancy say. You can't fly about them say to him. If that are the true, the whole of we would have know. Go on your ways ya, ma can't fly, him answer back. Nancy, lion say. You ever brag and go on? Just show what you talk about. If a liar tell you no, you're in a big trouble. Nancy catch him afraid. Him never want liar know say a beer lie him really did I tell. Alright, make me show you. You will see for yourself. So, Nancy go in yard and every day him catch bud. Kill them and pop off them feather. Then him all go look for rubber tree and take the gum paste up the feather upon himself. When him done that, him call the animal them for come watch him fly. Everybody frightened for see when Nancy jump off of the ground and start fly around. But, of course, the bud them still think says something fishy about all of this. So them fly side of him. You can't really fly, you know. Them shout after him. But, unless say I fly, me I fly, him answer back. Sitting come a Jankro mine and him say, Nancy, alright, must say you can fly a little bit. But better say you can't fly far. Make we see if you can fly go far up in the sky with me. Of course, Nancy want to show off himself, so him never have no qualms for go way up in the sky with Jankro. 2 tools them reach all the way up to the sun where it did well at. You know what had happen next. The gum off of the rubber tree no start melt off. Before Nancy could have turned back good, a whole heap drip off. And never long before the feather start to drop off him back, and the bud them see what gone. Them all thought help to pick them off. What a piece of scandal. Them laugh him to scorn. The gum melt off. Him feather drop off. Him a try for land so him no broke up nowhere, but all that did look dark. Him see one house stop and a that save him. Him drop on it and a succumbs him never brought no bone. But it look like him would have feel better if him did dead off. Cause the whole of the animal them pan the ground look up on him and a dead with laugh. Worse him know say if a lion catch him, a dead him dead. So him plan for never left the house top from that day there, and as so come you ever find him up there. That's a broadcast Jamaican with the tuori what make Anansi ever in the house top. Make sure to follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more tuori and news in the Jamaican language. Walk good.